What is up, YouTube? Welcome back after a long time to another one of our runs. Today we're going on a lap. I just put it over here somewhere. It's a pretty fun lap. It's around 7k. I'm going with Bob, if you know him. Bob. So enjoy.
He's one of the best scientific minds we have today.
1 kilometer done, 7 minutes 30 seconds.
He's one of the best scientific minds we have today.
K done, 7 minutes 5 seconds. K done, 7 minutes 23 seconds. There's an uphill coming up. I think it's gonna be pretty hard. Let's see what happens. Fourth kilometer, 7 minutes 40 seconds. Fifth kilometer, 7 minutes 28 seconds. Let's go. Sixth kilometer, 7 minutes 22. Hi, easy on it, hi, easy. Let's go. Bob's going strong on the 7k. Last 300 meters left. Come on, Bob. We're at a pretty good pace for 7k. Right now it's 49 minutes, 50 minutes. And we only have 200 meters left. See you at the finish line. Thank you guys for watching. When the 7k ends, I'm gonna end the video. Like, subscribe, comment on the video if you liked it. Thank you for watching, guys.
Distance 7 kilometers.